The TRCB is True's refrigerated chef baseline. Also known as refrigerated griddle stands, TRCBs come in varying sizes from 36 inches all the way up to 110 inches. The varying sizes allow multiple options for the amount of cooking equipment to be used, as well as food storage space found in the refrigerated drawers below. Made with quality metals, TRCBs have a stainless steel front, top, and sides with an aluminum back. The top of the chef base is made of one-piece 18-gauge reinforced stainless steel with drip-resistant V-edge that protects against spills. A flat top option is available at no charge. Remember that the countertop cooking equipment should be used in conjunction with the manufacturer-supplied legs, with a minimum clearance of 4 inches required between the bottom of the cooking equipment heating element and the TRCB top. The drawers to the storage area below come equipped with 12-inch recessed door handles. These units come standard on 4-inch casters and are available with legs at no charge. On the interior of a TRCB, you will find NSF-approved white aluminum walls and a stainless steel floor with easy cleaning cove corners. The refrigerated drawers come in varying sizes depending on the model and could hold multiple size pans up to 4 inches deep. Each drawer comes with an easily removable gasket. The entire cabinet is foamed in place with zero ozone depletion potential, zero global warming potential, Eco-Mate foam. TRCBs have an oversized and balanced refrigeration system that ensures faster temperature recovery and shorter run times in the busiest of food service environments. Many accessories are available for TRCBs. Please contact your local food service equipment provider for more information. Certain features and benefits may vary by country or location. True's TRCBs.